Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from the Volkswagen Van Centre in Liverpool, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Volkswagen Caddy Cargo Commerce Pro. It comes with the 2-litre diesel engine and automatic transmission, and is finished in the Indian grey metallic paintwork. Taking a look at a few of your exterior features, you'll find these 16-inch alloy wheels look fantastic, finished in that silver finish. The door mirrors come with heating and folding, so you can fold them in when parked and keep the frost at bay in the winter. And around to the rear you'll find the reversing camera to aid you when manoeuvring. Into the loading bay you've got the rear barn doors, as well as a sliding side door allowing for easy access points. It's got full ply lining as well as lashing rings for load restraint. Into the front on the driver's door card you'll find the electric windows and the electric door mirror controls. Inside, some fantastic styling with the lighting there on the right of the steering wheel and the lovely cloth upholstery that does come with manual adjustment, armrests and even the ergo comfort for lumbar support. On the steering wheel you'll find the adaptive cruise control and speed limiter functions, as well as the volume for the media system, and on the right you have the next and back buttons for media, as well as some controls for the digital cockpit. Flicking through some options here, you can adjust the dials to view various information, whether that be the compass, driving data, your audio, telephone connection. You've got plenty to choose from. On the main media system under radio and media you'll find DAB offering stations from across the country, as well as the USB and Bluetooth connectivity options. You've got a navigation system built into the car as well, with the points of interest indicated on the map. Telephone connectivity allows for Bluetooth hands-free calling, so you can stay connected when on the go. You've also got full integration of your smartphone via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to use apps through the screen. You can even go into the sound settings and customise the treble, mid and bass to your liking. As well as the front and rear sensors, you also have that camera, so you can see nice and clearly when manoeuvring, as well as audible indications. Climate controls can also be adjusted on screen with the temperature in the bottom there, and you've also got the heated seats in the front here on either side to keep nice and toasty. Moving further down you'll find some buttons to jump to the menu systems. Underneath that you'll find plenty of storage with a 12 volt, 2 USB-C ports, your start stop engine button, automatic transmission, even an electronic parking brake just behind, with plenty more storage including 2 cup holders. For more information, visit the Swansway Motor Group website or give us a call on 01515 152 911. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.